Pretty little blue Yamaha generator. Was running fine last time we used it. Yesterday wouldn't crank up, only ran on carb spray. Let's get the side panel off. Side panel's off. There's our carburetor. There's where I tapped it to death trying to get the float bowl to unstick. Open the drain, no fuel comes out. Kind of tells me that the float's probably stuck in the up position. Oh, a little bit, but the stuff that is coming out don't look too good. Don't smell too good. There, got the bowl spit down. Obviously that's supposed to be fuel. As you can tell, it's full of derbish. The float bowl looks to be stuck in the up position there. We got it moving a little. Gonna have to take the whole thing off and spray through some passages with some carb spray. Typical. It's hitting right there, and I need to move it that much further. Could take all these out, that out, take the fuel tank off, but I think I can get that guy and that guy, take that top bracket off. Let's give it a try. Got the carburetor off. I was able to sneak it out without taking the fuel tank, but I dropped a little spring off there, so I had to take this side apart anyways. And that spring is somewhere right back in there. Oh, I can see it. I know. Oh, there it is. Sometimes it's best to just take the fuel tank off, but all good. That's the junk that came out of there. If you know what a needle looks like, there it is, and if you see, it's not moving. So pop the float off, get the needle out, get it clean, put it back together. Got it back together. Got fuel in the float bowl. We're going to give it some cranks and see if it cranks up.